all represent?
I think he's got a very unconventional face, and my collection is all about Inder Dhanush. If we are celebrating gender equality, because love has got no kind of a gender, soul has got no gender. So Inder Dhanush is all celebration of yourself. Inder Dhanush is celebrating love. Inder Dhanush is celebrating. I think each and every individual has got right to live with his terms and conditions. So Inder Dhanush is all celebration of your own self. So let's celebrate this. Summer in the Dhanush. Let's spread the colors of in the Dhanush and only spread the word love. And a lot of people don't know. Like if you mix the color of in the Dhanush together, you get the color white. So it's also a piece to the society.
It is for designer Rohit Verma, and his collection is called Indradhanush. I'm happy to be a part of it because it's supporting equality and not only sexuality and gender preferences, but it is something about inclusivity and being together. Tell us, Shailu, some words.
Um, just really proud moment for me. Now this is a high time where it's like people from the industry or people from a society who are now grabbing the things and accepting us and my community, which is very proud for us. And I hope this will be and continue. And the theme which Rohit has taken for the fashion, and this is the one of the best source where we can spread
Show
the
your creativity and
and
awareness.
awareness to
Also,
the
it's
society.
been in our Indian culture actually for many, many years. So I feel we are more accepting of it, but I feel inclusivity where work is concerned and assimilation with everybody is concerned is very important.
As of now, society has seen just transgender on the street,
Yes.
railway local station, or brothel, or otherwise dancing on the floor or bar. But now they can see in fashion world as well. They can see transgender in corporate sector. They can see in mainstream companies, retail, BPO, etc. So Rohit has taken a very big step, which is really proud moment for entire community. Thank you so much for this.
Rohit approached you. What made you say yes?
So apparently, like, of course, Rohit is a good friend of mine, so there was no sense of saying no to him. But yeah, the collection is so vibrant, and especially it's like about the LGBTQR community. Though I'm an ally, but still I do support. I have friends who are from the community, and like, if I can do something for the cause, why not? Like, I feel like it's a good cause, and it's a good thing what he's trying to do. And yeah, sure, you are gonna see the whole collection very soon. You can see I'm wearing a lot of accessories and all. And for me also, it was the very first time I tried this. Means I've tried the colorful clothes before also, but I've never tried this kind of like wearing accessories, bun, and all those things around. So yeah, I'm liking it. Thank you.